Leonardo da Vinci was born in a small town near Florence, Italy, in 1452, the illegitimate son of a Florentine lawyer. Physically impressive and multi-talented, Leonardo's incomparable genius as a painter, sculptor, architect, and engineer has made his name a household word to this very day. Leonardo was a serious student of the human body and how to draw it. "The span of a man's outstretched arms is equal to his height," he wrote in his acclaimed anatomical study. "If you set your legs so far apart as to take a 14th part from your height, know that the center of the circle will be the navel." Perhaps most of all, Leonardo is known as a gifted, even prophetic inventor. He is credited with designing the precursor of the modern-day helicopter. Many of Leonardo's most astonishing technical drawings involve man's endless yearning for flight. Here are his plans for testing the required force of one of his wing designs. "Of the type of wing structure required for human flight," he wrote, "your flying machine must imitate no other than the bat, because the web is what, by its union, gives the armor or strength to the wings." Despite his own words, Leonardo persisted in designing flying machines whose workings mimicked the flapping motions of birds. Although incredibly close to modern inventions, none of his flying plans produced workable models. And some, such as this paddle-like flying machine, with its gear mechanism exposed and the flyer standing inside the gearbox, would have been too heavy to be lifted off the ground by human strength alone. Leonardo rejected war as barbaric. An ardent vegetarian, he was known to buy caged birds in the marketplace to set them free. Paradoxically, he is acknowledged as one of history's most gifted military engineers. For instance, he designed tanks, machine guns, cannons, a rapid-fire crossbow, and an incredibly lethal chariot, whose projecting sickles were intended specifically to mutilate. In the realm of civil engineering, he designed a lifting jack that operated with a continuous screwing motion, and a mobile crane that could turn on a pivot and lift heavy objects for the construction of buildings. Two more of Leonardo's inventions included machines that could drill out the centers of logs, one horizontally and one vertically. Leonardo's oil lamp employed a convex lens that so increased the available light that it was in use for hundreds of years. With notes written in an enigmatic mirror image script, Leonardo da Vinci left a legacy of hundreds of designs and sketches that will never cease to beguile and amaze us as we contemplate and wonder about this most amazing and mysterious of men.